my creatives are not working, I don't know what to write on my ads, I have spent this much of money in my ads but no returns and I'm very confused. So these are the questions that I usually get from clients who are running ad themselves and they are getting no results out of it. So hi everyone, Krandesh this side. In this video I'm going to talk about this crucial topic of ad creative testing and how you can get into the ad creative testing so that you can have a winning ad for your coaching business. So let's deep dive into this thing, and it is very important because when new coaches think that they are now getting good result through organic and now they want to scale their business, they try to like run ads themselves. So in my marketing agency, so we do the same kind of services to online coaches at tech companies and in India and outside. So what we do, so that's I'm going to tell you how you can do the creative testing, how you can like analyze which ad is going to perform for a longer period of time. You have how you can create ads so that they fetch you results despite and not getting like what is the creative fatigue in that manner, right? So what to do and what not to do. So first of all, when you run ads, when you create an image ads or a video ad, you really have to understand that for which type of target audience it is this ad is created, because there are three type of audience, okay, that you will generally attract to. First one is cold, warm and hot. So cold audience are the people who are like have never seen you and they do not know you, they don't know about your services, coaching program, webinar, workshop, and those kind of audience are termed as cold audience. Then the second is warm audience. What is warm audience? The warm audience are people who have actually came to know about you by visiting your landing page, by visiting your Instagram account, by visiting your YouTube channel. So these are the audience which are familiar with you, but they might have submitted their information in terms of a lead magnet, they might have bought your small ticket program. And now the third type of audience is the hot audience, which are actually have bought something like a valuable amount from you. So these are the audience which are known as hot audience. So you need to understand that your messaging on your video ads, on your image ad, should be appropriate to the target, to the type of audience that you're attracting to. All right. Now the second problem that people like the coaches who are running at themselves might facing, that they are not setting up the campaign structure very right. So when it comes to meta ad offers different type of campaign objectives. For example, whether you want a lead, whether you want traffic, whether you want to reach, whether you want app install, whether you want sales, whether you want purchase, whether you want to do e-commerce sale. So all these kind of objective had different kind of results that they are gonna produce, because according to the objective, Facebook is going to decide what kind of algorithm it will run behind it so that it can reach to the right target audience, right? Now, and let's see. So in this video I'm going to tell about the like initial level of testing that we do, and you can also implement the same with the with your coaching business, with your services. So first of all, let's understand the let's understand the campaign objective that we need to have in order to, while setting up the campaign. So first is, if you are running a free offering, whether maybe you are doing a ebook or maybe a video or maybe opt-in form, a checklist. So in these kind of thing you need to set up the choose the lead campaign. Okay, so what is lead campaign? Lead campaign is basically we are telling Facebook that I just want to people enter their information and I want to capture that information as my lead. Okay, when you select the objective as sales, okay, then the Facebook algorithm tries to reach to those kind of people who can make a online transaction. Okay, so those are the set type of audience, because there are two type of audience, one of freeloaders and one is like very serious kind of people who can actually transact when they actually want something. Okay, so when you have offering of maybe a nominal amount of 99 rupees, 599 rupees or 1000 rupees kind of thing, then you have to choose the objective of sales, and then you have to choose the tracking event as purchase. Okay, and then you in your landing pages, in your thank you pages, you have to set up those or tracking code, those pixel thing. Then you have to run the campaigns. Okay, because if someone is making the purchase or maybe submitting the information, the event should be captured on your meta ad dashboard, so that when meta gets to know that okay, this type of person has bought, now I want to reach similar type of interest behavior type of audience, and then it will get to more type of those people. Okay, so this is the second thing that you need to re-examine the whole campaign structure, that kind of campaign structure you are running into. Now comes to the ad part. So there are three level of setting up the meta ads. One is campaign level, second is ad set level, third is ad level. Okay, so in campaign level, so you have to decide upon among the like various six options given, or six objective, you have to choose the correct one. And in the ad set level, we define the type of target audience that we want to target. Okay, for example, we can decide the what type of age group I want to target to, which location I want to target to, what kind of interest these people should be having. Either they must be, if I am a parenting coach, I will be like targeting people who are categorized now as parents of age category 6 to 12, 12 to 18, and something on that. And these interests are like available in the Facebook ad audience manager, and you can create an audience and use that audience. And then you can also choose the what type of placement that you want to showcase these ads to. Now comes to the ad part. See, so before we before I tell you that how we test it, let me just tell you about the three components of an ad. So whenever you see an image ad, or maybe a story ad, or a newsfeed ad, or a Facebook post ad, then you will see there will be a creative. This creative could be an image ad, carousel, or video ad. Okay, then there on the top of it you can see a long written ad copy. Okay, then on the creative below you can see a ad headline, and then below ad headline you can see a ad description. So among these four components we have to test different parameters. Now, so how we can get started with the testing thing? So first of all, you have to create 3-4 creatives, whether it could be image ad, whether it could be video ad, and what you have to write inside those creative element I have already mentioned in previous of my videos. So you can go to the YouTube channel and like watch it, that how you can create ads even if you are a beginner, right? And then when you see that the creative, when you create 4 creative, okay, so to just test you will start with an ABO structure campaign. So ABO structure campaign are campaigns in which we have control over the spending over a particular set of audience. Okay, and then when you go to the creative side, among the 4 creative that you have chosen sorry, so the 4 creative that you have made, okay, you have to choose the best as per your team feedback or maybe your own liking, that which creative among these 4 creative which would be a good type of creative. Now what you need to do is, after you choosing the best type of creative that you have made, the best messaging in it, the best look and feel, design and everything, you have to choose that creative. And now since Facebook has an option of Facebook has given an option of using multiple ad copies, multiple ad headline and multiple description. Okay, so now we have to test among the which are the various pattern, which type of ad copies and ad headline will be in a way so that most of the people are clicking on it. And Facebook has this feature of breakdown by elements. By element I mean that they can break down it by ad copies, ad placements, date and time, and all these areas. So when you launch a ad on an ad set level, by having controlled spending on your hand, you can actually run the ad creative, a single ad creative with multiple ad copies, multiple ad headline and multiple description. Okay, so when you do this, you can run it for 3 days. You can run it for 3 days, and in the span of 3 days you can see, after breaking down, that which ad headline is is doing the most of the jobs, which is capturing most of the clicks, is capturing most of the landing page views. And then based upon those data, you can also see that which headline has brought you the leads or purchase. And then you can see that what are the exact pattern, what are the exact pattern in that headline, in that ad headline, like whether I mentioned something minus off discount kind of thing. Then you can actually see that this ad headline is winning, this ad copy part is winning, and this ad description part is winning. Okay, but among these three, the main two are ad copy and ad headline, because these are the two elements that the users see it the first time. Okay, and they want to like read it, and then they get intrigued by it. And if you see some so if you have got option, so what we do in our agency is that we write 6 variant of ad copies, 6 variant of ad copies in a manner of 2 short copy, 2 medium copy, 2 long copies. And these are in a manner that we are describing our offering, which are aligning to our whether we are running for it for a landing page, whether for a webinar landing page, workshop landing page. So these ad copies, ad headlines should be in sync with what we are actually offering. Okay, it should be not like that what is our actual offering after the webinar. So you cannot those kind of stuff and let people understand that they will understand and they will buy my other kind of stuff also. Okay, so no, so you don't have to do that. So let me just rephrase everything that I've told. So you need to start by creating multiple creatives, maybe 4 creatives that you can start with. Among those 4 creative, you have to choose one creative, and then you have to write 6 variants of ad copies, and you have to test it with another set of ad headlines and ad description. And then by running it for 3 days, you can see its breakdown. And then you can actually see that which of the ad copies is winning, and then choose those elements from there and create a CBO campaign, and under which you can launch different set of ad creative with the winning copies that you have already found in the previous ABO campaigns. So this is how you can do the creative testing by using ABO and CBO method. And you can literally and then after finding out the winning ad copies, you can model it to the other creatives, because now you have got the idea that which ad copies are working. Now if my ad copies are winning, okay, they are the winning element, and now I have to see that which creative could be winning. So this is what we call a GT1 testing and GT2 testing. It will be like graduation test 1 and graduation test 2. So, and then we go to the scaling part, then where we find out that the winning creative also, winning ad copies also, and winning element, and then we give them into a winning environment. So when I say winning environment, is actually the type of audience that we are targeting to, whether it is broad, whether it is interest based, or whether it is maybe like lookalike audience, custom audience, warm audience, followers, Instagram followers, Facebook page followers, LinkedIn connections, email list, custom list, and all of this. So I hope you find this video useful in your creative testing. If you're someone who's running their ads by themselves, or maybe they're running an agency and they're not getting the results. So this is something that you can rightly implement in your business, coaching business, and get results. Thank you so much.